Oh my goodness, guys. It looks like we are about to have a great day out here on the lake. Oh yeah, look at that.
That's a nice one.
And look what it has in its mouth. I'll show you guys what this thing has in its mouth too. But you see that in there?
Yeah, I do. Crawfish.
Oh my goodness.
Nice crawfish too. Yeah, boy.
Isn't that the color I told you?
Yeah.
That,
yeah, that's the color of your crankbait.
yeah, that's exactly why I tied that on there. Look at that, guys. That is a nice green pumpkin and orange. And look at the size of that claw. Goodness, can't hold on to it. Look at the size of that claw. That thing is big, guys. All right. So I love it when a plan comes together. Out here with DP.
Yeah, they
making things happen. So let me get back down here real quick and quit talking and see if I can get another one. All right, we are out here fishing this ditch. That ditch actually goes down to about 35 feet, guys. If you look closely right there, you can see a little fish on the side of that ledge. Might be a big fish, can't really tell right now. But what we're doing, we're right off of here, coming down into this cove, into the middle of this ditch, have that 360, and look what that 360 will do for you. So we can see that ditch run straight this way. And if you take a look at my trolling motor, it is kind of panned over to the right now. And there you go. So that's pretty much what we're fishing right now. Gonna head back down in there and see if we can pull another one out of there. All right, so we have DP on the board. All right, and actually let me just pan a little bit to the left and right so you guys can see how that looks on the live imaging. And I have it on color palette 10 right now. I've just been playing around with some of the settings. And actually, there we go. Okay, there's another fish right there on the outside of that that ditch. The boat is just kind of drifting a little bit, but let me just hit the menu button and show you guys the settings that I currently have that on. And that, again, that's color palette, Mega Live Colors, color palette 10. All right, let me get back out here and get to it, guys. Can't let him get too far ahead of me. Got it? Mm-hmm. All right. Uh-oh. DP coming in with the large.
Hey, man.
All right.
Here you go, fellas. MoneyBass, MoneyBass.
Uh-oh. DP is on the board. DP is on the board. All right, there we go.
All right. Get it?
Put in there, put in there.
You sure?
Yeah, come up here and stand to my left side.
Okay.
On this side. On the other side of this side. I'm like this. Ah, there we go, people. It's a decent little keeper. Decided to head shallow for today, guys. Just trying something a little different out here with DP. I mean, he does a mixture of the old school fishing with the new school. So out here doing some shaky head, crankbait fishing. But right now he's stuck on this
I got it.
on this lay down. So out here having a good time, guys. I'll show you a little bit some more imaging in just a second, but let's go ahead and finish out this limit for the day. Mm-hmm. All right, hold over there by that camera, let them see you. Go toward the front.
It's right here. My leader already in. Right there, see?
Oh, shoot. Caught him. Had to flip him. The net got caught on the...
I'm gonna start calling you Roger Hines of the net man.
Go ahead and talk to your people.
Yeah, folks, here it is, MoneyBass. He let me catch these fish. It's a nice one. This is my second one. Actually, it's my third one, but Ryan said he didn't see the first one, so it don't count. But
Yeah, his first one doesn't count. It wasn't on camera.
yeah, it wasn't on camera. This one is.
Yeah, that's that first though. That's the one I was telling you about.
Yeah, that's what that one is. That deep. Get it?
Yeah.
Did we get the net? That's a good one. 3. About 3. No, 2.5.
Oh,
2.5.
there we go, guys. It's looking kind of lovely out here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. All right, there we go. Got another one. Nice, decent sized fish right there, guys. Sometimes you have to mix in a little of the new school with the old school. So as you saw at the beginning, had to bang them out a little bit on that offshore fishing. I should have got some more footage for you guys on that offshore, but you know, those fish will still be there, so I'll get some footage for that, hopefully. But let's go ahead and get back out here, having some fun. You know, just doing a little shallow water fishing using that 360. So I'll show you this 360 in just a second too, so let's take a look at that.
Leaving notes.
Right.
You know. Get him? I told you we're here. Good shit. You got the fish? You get the net? Okay. You sure you don't want me to get the net?
Let me take a look at him first. Oh, folks, he's pulling. He's pulling. Uh-oh.
Nah, he's flipping. He'll flip.
He got some weight on him.
Yeah, he close to 2. He ain't quite
He got
2.
some weight on him. Oh, let's see.
There you go.
Oh!
He popped out. Yeah, he almost 2 pounds.
Oh yeah, there we go, guys.
The 5th fish. I told you that.
There we go.
I tell you what here.
All right, let's go ahead and finish up the day because I know you guys are going to enjoy tonight's live stream. Well, actually, you're watching the live stream now. Every Tuesday, 8 p.m. Make sure you join these live streams, guys. Let's get in here and have some fun with it. Let's talk about what we did today to catch these fish. Out here mixing a little old school with the new school.
We had a good day out here with MoneyBass fishing and fishing old school and new school at the same time. Man, had a great day, had a great time. I'm very honored that Ryan invited me out here. Learned a lot about how you can just drop on fish. And I knew how to do it, but not like he did. So now I've seen some of his secrets. So it's a good day. We had a good day.
All right, guys. Let's go ahead and let these go back home. Had some nice fish out here today. Good time on the lake. All right, there we go. All right, what do you guys think about that? Let's see you get active down in the comments, guys. Let's have some fun with it.